We'll begin today's Prarthna Milan session by chanting 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale deeply. Vedic invocation. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganapati Moola Mantraha. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Shri Dakshinamurti Prarthana. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Swami Vivekananda Prarthana. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swami Netapaharine Swami Netapaharine. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rig Veda. Om Sangachatvam Samvadadvam Sambho Manaamsi Janata Deva Bhagayatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesha Samanam Mantra Abhimantrayeva Samanena Havishachuhomi Samani Vahakutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Omanaha Yatha Vasu Sahasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam Saptavimshatyadika Ekashatotara Panchasahasratama Kaliyugabdaha Shri Vishwavasu Nama Samvatsaraha Uttarayanam Hemantaratuhu Maghamasaha Krishnapakshah Dashami Tithihi Anuradha Nakshatram Vyaghata Yogaha Garajakaranam Saumyavasaraha. Today's date 11th of February 2026, Wednesday. Tithescha Shriyamapnoti Varadayushyavardhanam Nakshatra Dharate Papam Yogadroga Nivaranam Karunat Karya Siddhischa Panchanga Phalamuttamam. Sarvesham Shubhamastu.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Let us contemplate the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 8th shloka today. Nahi prapashyami mamapanudyat यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् प्रपश्यामि यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नवृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नवृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् Now the whole shloka altogether twice. Nahi prapashyami mamapanudhyat yacchokamuच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नवृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्चोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नवृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. Now let us contemplate this beautiful shloka. Jayati Parasharasunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasa Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayamamritam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya cha Namo Namaha. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamashraye. Respected Guruji, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. Again, it is one of the important shloka where submission, confession, everything from Arjuna, total surrenderance is happening here. Arjuna is totally surrendered. I don't know what to do. You are my Guru, I am your Shishya. This is what yesterday we saw. Is it not? Na hi prapashyami mama apanudyat yat shokam uchchoshanam indriyana avapya bhumau asapatnam ruddham rajyam suranam api cha adhipatyam. So these are the word split here, and Arjuna is reiterating and bringing conclusion for his total confusion and chaotic situation in his mind, where in the previous shloka he said, yes, karpanya dosha, that has affected me, I am afflicted with that dosha and I am unable to know what to do. That's why I am asking you, pruchami tva dharma sammuda chetaha. My mind is totally blocked, my indriyas are blocked, mind is blocked, everything. So therefore, you are my Guru, I am your Shishya, Shishyasteham, Shadhimam Tvam Prapannam. You can punish me, you can guide me. Tiddi nannannu tilivina dariyalli nadesu, O Krishna. What a beautiful way, Kannada Anuvada. Tiddi tidi nannannu, bekadare shikshisu tondre illa. Shikshaka, the word comes from shiksha only. Shiksha means by giving shiksha, punishment, Guru is going to teach. That is how Shadhimam Tvam Prapannam, because I am totally surrendering to you. When any person totally surrenders, there will be only compassion there. God cannot, he cannot show any type of untowardness there. Say where totally he is under the care of Krishna now. That is why Pandavas selected Krishna than his army. This is where. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, whatever may be the problem, Krishna is able to manage anything and everything. That's why even in our life also we should make Krishna as our leader. We should surrender our. That is why Arjuna is showing all these things here. And the beauty of this shloka is, he says, already we are seeing from the 5, 6, 7, 8, 5th, the rhythm of the shloka from Anushtup, it has turned to Trishtup. Is it not? As one of our faculty, he mentioned it so beautifully. All are 11, 11, 11, 11 aksharas. Is it not? Even this is also. In between, the two lines are showing 12 aksharas, Jagati rhythm. But still, it is considered as Trishtup only. The whole Bhagavad Gita for that matter. Let us go into a little bit research in this deeper, dive deeper here. Where Bhagavad Gita is 700 shlokas. Out of the 700 shlokas, 645 shlokas are in Anushtup. Do you know that? 32 letter chandas. That is only Anushtup. And 55 shlokas are in Trishtup. That is 11. What is the beauty of 11? Anushtup chandas is going to be very sarala and it is straightforward. Any emotions to put it. It is the most beautiful chandas Anushtup, where Valmiki also in Ramayana, everything is Anushtup chandas only. But here in Bhagavad Gita, 55 chandas are in Trishtup. What does the emotions Trishtup carry? Anything Vismaya, anything Duguda, Dummana, Dukha to express, it is the best is 11. Why? Because Ekadasha Rudra is representing this 11, 11, 11, 11. Rudra means where Raudravatara and even Rodayana, Rodayatiti Rudra, everything is beautifully captured here by Vedavyasa in 11 aksharas only. All these are beautifully captured in 11 aksharas. That's why this is also, because he is confessing here. He is telling that, na hi prapashyami. Nahi pashyami is okay. Why that prapashyami? Nischayena kachitarte aham. I don't know. I am not able to see anything good. Because of this, my indriyas are totally afflicted with this dukkha. Mama apanudyat yat shokam uchchoshana. Shoka is completely covering my indriyas. And I am unable to perform my indriyas efficiently, effectively, persistently. I am totally down with all the indriyas. Already he so told, no, Gandivam samsate hastat, tvakchaiva paridakhyate, nacha shaknomi avastatum, sidanti mamagatrani mukhancha parishinchati, vepathuscha sharire me romaharsha. All these are indriya durbalata. Arjuna is accepting now. Yes, I am not able to see. That is why prapashyami. Not just pashyami, prapashyami, nischayena kachitarte. I know that nahi prapashyami mama apanudya yat shokam utchoshana. Shoshana means drying. Utchoshana means totally dried up. My indriyas are nissara. That is the word. Nissara. There is no sara in my indriyas. And in indriya shakti also. Indriyana avapya bhumau. See, even though if I get all the asapatna mrudna means no shatru, because when I win this battle also, there will be no shatru for me. But still, all those things, avapya bhuma vasapatna mruddham samruddha, rajyam suranam api. Rajyam Suranam api means in the previous slokas he has told, api Trailoke Rajyasya heto ho kim na mahi krite. Is it not? What if I get even in the Swargaloka also? I cannot even come out of this kind of melancholy with all this Rajyam Suranam api cha adhipatyam. Even if I rule the Swargaloka also, even if I rule this earth without any enemies also, I may not be nahi prapashyami. Mama apanudyat. I may not be able to come out of this. So therefore, you are my Guru and I am totally surrendered to you. And it is in your hand whether to lift me up or me leaving me in the same state. So it is all in your hand, Krishna. Therefore, we have to surrender totally to Krishna. Sarvadharman parityajya mahamekam sharanam vraja. That's why he said the last shloka of this Bhagavad Gita, Upadesha. So please surrender unto me. We should have that surrenderance. Totally, no condition, unconditional surrenderance only will help us to evolve from this samsara sagara. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much.
Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve